In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add conditional fields in Tally. So, whether you're creating a form to gather data or simply looking to enhance your user experience, adding conditional fields can help make your forms more dynamic and responsive. Let's dive in step by step so you can integrate this feature into your forms with ease. First, open your preferred web browser, head over to the search bar, and type in Tally.so. Once the search results appear, click on the correct link that takes you directly to Tally's homepage. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. If not, you'll need to create an account by following the sign-up prompts provided. Next, you'll want to start by adding the questions or blocks that you wish to display based on user input. Consider the structure of your form and think about which questions would benefit from conditional visibility. Once you have your questions or content blocks set up, identify the specific block you want to conditionally show or hide. To do this, locate the icon on the left side of the block and give it a click. From the menu that appears, select Hide to temporarily conceal the block. This step is crucial because it sets the groundwork for applying conditions later on. Now, scroll through your form to the section where you intend to implement the logic for the conditional field. In this area, type Conditional or Logic to insert a new block specifically meant for setting conditions. This block is where you'll define the logic that dictates when your hidden questions will appear. For setting conditions, begin by specifying the trigger question. This is the question your form users will answer that will determine the visibility of the hidden block. Once you've chosen the trigger question, you'll need to select the specific answer option that activates the condition. Take your time to ensure you accurately select the response that correlates with when you want the block to show. After setting the trigger and its corresponding answer, you'll then define which blocks become visible once the condition is met. Simply choose from the drop-down menu of hidden blocks and pick the ones you want to reveal. If your form requires multiple conditional fields, or if you want to apply conditions to multiple blocks, you can easily do so by adding new logic blocks. Repeat the entire process for each additional condition you wish to create, making sure that each logical sequence is clearly set up to optimize your form's interactivity. And that's it. You've now learned how to effectively add conditional fields to your form in Tally. So, experiment with different conditions to best suit the needs of your form's users. And as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.